Today, I will read some of the good points from the book You Can Heal Your Life by Louise Hay. This book was recommended by my CIO. If I were cast away on a desert island and could have only one book with me there, I might well choose Louise Hay, You Can Heal Your Life. Some points of my philosophy. We are each 100% responsible for all of our experiences. Every thought we think is creating our future. It is only a thought, and a thought can be changed. Resentment, criticism, and guilt are the most damaging patterns. Releasing resentment will dissolve even cancer. When we really love ourselves, everything in our life works. We must release the past and forgive everyone. We must be willing to begin to learn to love ourselves. Self-approval and self-acceptance is the now are the key to positive changes. We created every so-called illness in our body. I believe that everyone, myself included, is 100% responsible for everything in our lives, the best and the worst. Every thought we think is creating our future. No person, no place, and no things has any power over us, for we are the only thinkers in our mind. We create our experiences, our reality, and everyone in it. When we create peace and harmony and balance in our minds, we will fill it in our lives. I never do anything right. It is my fault. If I get angry, I am a bad person. Beliefs like this creates a frustrating life. We also treat ourselves the way our parents treated us. We scold and punish ourselves in the same way. You can almost hear the words when you listen. We also love and encourage ourselves in the same way if we were loved and encouraged as children. If we are all 100% responsible for everything in our lives, then there is no one to blame. We need to choose to release the past and forgive everyone, ourselves included. We may not know how to forgive, and we may not want to forgive. But the very fact we say we are willing to forgive begins the healing process. Whenever we are ill, we need to search our hearts to see who it is we need to forgive. When people come to me with a problem, I don't care what it is, poor health, lack of money. There is only one thing I ever work on, and that is loving the self. Loving the self to me begins with never ever criticizing ourselves for anything. I watch the body postures and the facial movement, but mostly I really listen to the words they say. Thoughts and words creates our future expression. As I listen to them talk, I can readily understand why they have these problems. Sometimes the words they use don't match the experiences they describe. I continue to explain that no matter what their problem seems to be, there is only one thing I ever work on with everyone, and that is loving the self. Love is the miracle cure. The only diet that does work is a mental diet, dieting from negative thoughts. Blame is one of the surest way to stay in problem. In blaming others, we give away our power. So here is the solution which Louise Hay provided. I ask people to look in in their eyes and say something positive about themselves every time they pass a mirror. The most powerful way to do affirmation is to look in a mirror and say them out loud to yourself. Like, I am willing to change. Your mind is a tool you can choose to use any way you wish.